Hi everyone, I'm Zixuan Pan from Solidfish. I'm going to talk about several challenges and resolution in our project. The first challenge is, since our target users are visually impaired people, we need to think of how to enable the interaction with UI without seeing the button. At our very first thought, we want to use audio to control everything. So we want to have a audio recognition part that can recognize the user wants to kind of changing the page or interacting with the image. But later we found that is not possible because it's very hard to split between the interaction with UI and the interaction with our VQA model. So our resolution changed to a traditional method, just adding keyboard shortcuts for accessibility. For example, we use page down and page up for a user to switching around different posts from the social media. And we have shift out A and shift out S to enable audio input, indicating the model to receive question from the user. The second challenge is the performance of our VQA model is not very good on some complex questions. So the original version of language model we use doesn't give a very good prompt to the VQA model if the user asks a complex question. And our resolution is we adopt the method in a recent paper called the chain of thought prompting. As you can see in the figure, it basically just enables the language model to output the whole process of reasoning. So it will give a more detailed prompting to the VQA model. And we found this modification actually have a very huge improvement to the complex question answers. And we have a third challenge is the language model. So GPT-3, we're using assumes VQA model has some kind of memory. Well, when talking about memory, it's saying that our language model assumes VQA model can remember some of the information provided in the previous questions, like provided in the description of the image or some previously asked questions. And however, our VQA model just don't know this, and we need to modify our model a little bit. So we use a technique called the few-shot learning, and we retrain the model to modify the pattern of generated prompts of the language model. The modification makes it tend to include all the necessary information and assumes no memory of the VQA model. We find that this modification also has a very robust or very decent performance increase to our original type of VQA model. So here are the three main challenges we have encountered when doing our project. Thanks for listening.